Hi there, I'm Kim Trouten with Allen Tate Realtors, and as a top broker in the Charlotte region, I have access to top brokers everywhere around the world. So if you are looking for a realtor anywhere, you can call me and I'm happy to make my connections and make sure I get you a couple of really good people to talk to in whatever city that you're going to or coming from. So a lot of my relocating buyers might need somebody where they're located, or maybe you're considering a vacation home or an investment property. And in this market, with interest rates at what they're at today, I really recommend that if you're able, we can do it now. And again, whatever city that you're looking at, I have really good people. So the question I often get is now a good time to buy an investment property? With interest rates low, it makes sense because your money is going to go a lot further. However, with everything being so locked down with real estate, you just have to be a little more patient, and we can take care of you. We can find you that right property. We can also evaluate if you're going to rent and you want to bring in a monthly income, or if you want to hold and it's something that in 10 years you want to gain equity. And sometimes you can't get both, but sometimes you can. And again, I can help you evaluate all of those different thoughts. So in order to buy an investment property, you need a different type of loan. And I have loan officers that are excellent and I can connect you. You will need more money because it's a different kind of property instead of your initial personal family home. I've helped a lot of my clients secure an investment property, and I can do the same for you. So if buying a vacation home or an investment property has been on your mind, feel free to reach out. I would love to talk with you about the ideas and the concept and just how to make it happen.